In this short tutorial, you will learn how to change the mobile hotspot password on a Samsung device. Changing the password is important for maintaining the security of your personal hotspot and ensuring that only authorized users can connect to it. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, swipe down from the top just like this and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are on the settings page, tap Connections. After that, scroll down a bit and tap Mobile Hotspot and Tethering. And then tap Mobile Hotspot. So now you'll see the password of your mobile hotspot. To change that password, tap where it says Configure. Tap on the password and then clear it. Now all you have to do next is enter your new hotspot password and tap Save at the bottom right. And now you've successfully changed the password of your mobile hotspot. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.